In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account or restore a deleted account in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started with the process as it's quite straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. This is the initial step, so head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the sign in button. Once there, choose the QuickBooks Online option from any other products you might see. You will be prompted to enter your credentials, so go ahead and fill in your username and password, then hit continue to access your account. After you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the transaction tab. This tab is essential as it holds the chart of accounts section, which is where we will be doing most of the work today. Click on the chart of accounts to open it. The chart of accounts is a complete list of your business accounts and their balances, and it's the main area where accounts can be managed, including making necessary deletions. Once within the chart of accounts, you'll notice small drop-down arrows next to each account. These drop-downs are key to managing your accounts. Click on the small drop-down for the account you want to delete or make inactive. At this point, you'll see an option that says Make Inactive. Click on this option if you wish to remove the account from active status. A prompt will appear confirming your decision. You'll just need to click Yes, Make Inactive, and your account will be deactivated from your active list, but don't worry, it's not gone forever. It's merely hidden from your day-to-day view. Now, let's say you've decided you want to restore this inactive account back to active use. QuickBooks makes this easy as well. You'll begin by clicking on the gear icon, which is situated right by the print icon in the chart of accounts. This opens additional options, one of which is a checkbox labeled Include Inactive. Checking this box ensures that you're able to view all accounts, active and inactive. Scroll through the list and find the account you previously made inactive that you now want to bring back to life. Once you locate it, click on Make Active. This essentially reactivates the account, making it visible and usable once more in your financial transactions. And there you have it. That's how you can manage, delete and restore accounts in QuickBooks Online. This process is convenient when you need to tidy up your ledger or recover previous accounts without losing any historical data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.